Did you know that coffee grounds can be used as compost? See, here's how to make it. There are 3 ways to use coffee grounds to fertilize plants, easy to do. Coffee grounds often become waste because they are considered useless, though coffee grounds contain nitrogen and other nutrients that are good for plant fertility. Method 1. Pour the coffee grounds into the soil around the plant. This is the easiest and most practical way. In addition to fertilizing the soil, the acidic coffee grounds are beneficial for making some plants bloom brighter. A number of these ornamental flower plants love acid, such as hydrangeas, rhododendrons, azaleas, carrots, and radishes, so applying coffee grounds fertilizer is the right choice. Method 2. Mix the coffee grounds with the soil used to grow crops. In smaller amounts, especially when mixed with dry ingredients, the coffee grounds will release their nitrogen. Used coffee grounds have a neutral pH, so there shouldn't be any concern about the acidity level. Method 3. Use coffee grounds as liquid fertilizer. The use of coffee grounds as compost also turned out to be friendly to the ecosystem on the soil. This can be seen in earthworms who are not disturbed by the presence of this alternative compost. Earthworms like to eat them, and as we all know, worms are friends of farmers who work to fertilize the soil.